Hello, dear children. Good morning to all of you. Children, today I am going to teach you Standard 2 Literature and Chapter 4. All of you quickly open the chapter, the Skylark, and the page number 46. Okay, so let's start the chapter. See, children, before that we will see the types of birds. What is the name of this bird? Tell me. Yes, nightingale. This is cuckoo. This is skylark. Skylark is a bird. So in this chapter we will learn about this bird, skylark. Okay. So let's start. King Lalji had many beautiful things in his palace. He had marvelous jewels, vases, paintings, and carpets. When he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. Children, here see the highlighted words marvelous. Marvelous means very beautiful and wonderful, and spotted means happened to see. So next we'll see. It will make me happy, he said. But King Lalji was not happy. He felt old and tired and sad. One day, the king heard a beautiful song. He closed his eyes and listened. It was a song about sunshine, a flowering river, a gentle breeze. It was a song about joy. So, one day the king heard a beautiful song. He closed his eyes and listened. It was a song about sunshine, a flowering river, a gentle breeze, and it was a song about joy. For the first time in his life, the king felt happy. Who is singing that song? The king asked his helpers. So, for the first time, the king was happy. He felt happy. And who is singing that song? The king asked to his helpers. Bring him to me. I want him to stay in my palace. I want him to sing every day. So, the king ordered the helpers, go and bring him to me. I want him to stay in my palace and I want him to sing every day. The king's helpers searched everywhere. They could not find the singer. Children, see, there is a highlighted word searched. Searched means looked everywhere. The king's helpers looked everywhere, searched everywhere, and they could not find the singer. At last, they asked a young girl who is singing that song. It's the skylark, the girl replied. And the girl replied, it's the skylark. Skylark means this type of bird. See. Look up, there he is. He is high in the sky. Then the girl saw that. Look up, and there he is, and he is high in the sky. That bird is high in the sky. The helpers looked up, catch him. They shouted, take me to the king. No, no, the girl cried. Please don't take him. Let him fly in the sky. But the girl said, no, no. And the girl cried also, please don't take him. Let him fly in the sky. But the king's helpers did not listen to the girl. So next page we'll see. But the king's helpers did not listen to the girl. But the helpers of king, they did not listen to the girl, and they watched and they waited. Soon the skylark flew down. He was now sitting on a low branch of a tree. And soon the skylark flew down and he was now sitting on a low branch of a tree. The helpers caught the bird and took him to the palace. And that helpers caught that bird and took him to the palace. Here is the singer, they said. And they said, King, here is the singer. What the king cried, this is just a small brown bird. He cannot sing such a beautiful song. Then king said, uh, king cried, and this is just a small bird, he said, brown color bird. He cannot sing such a beautiful song. Put him into that golden bird cage, he said. We will listen to him. Then the king ordered that put him into that golden bird cage. See, this is bird cage. The bird is inside the bird cage. So he said, we will listen to him. The skylark felt miserable. He did not want to sing in a cage. The king waited and waited, but the skylark did not sing. Children, here the highlighted word miserable means very sad, and that skylark, that bird, is very sad. Now that bird is inside the bird cage, so he is not happy there. So he is very sad now. He did not want to sing in the cage, but the king waited and waited, but the skylark did not sing. Then, you fools, the king shouted at his helpers. This isn't the singer. Put this bird outside. Then the king shouted that, you fools. Fools means very silly person. You fools, the king shouted at his helpers, and this isn't the singer. They put this bird outside. Then king ordered that put this bird outside. The skylark flew away and started to sing again. But now when the skylark is outside, flew away, now he is outside the cage and he is happy, and again he started to sing. The young girl looked up and smiled, and that young girl looked up and smiled. I am the fool, the king thought. He closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. Then, I am the fool, the king thought. And he closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. So, children, it is a very beautiful story. So, you read it 2-3 times for better understanding, and write down the highlighted words, meanings, and learn. Okay, thank you.